All right, it's time for Workforce Wednesday. Our guests are joining us from Seattle today on the western side of the state. We have Mark Matke, the CEO of Spokane Workforce Council, and Katie Condit, CEO of Workforce Central in Pierce County in the Tacoma area. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Morgan. I appreciate the opportunity to be here and talk a bit about the conference that we're attending today.
Definitely. So you're at this annual Washington Workforce Association conference. So really tell our viewers at home what the focus is of that and who is there.
Yes, thanks. This is the first statewide conference that we've had since before the pandemic hit back in 2020. And it's an opportunity for over 400 workforce professionals from across the state to come together and share information about how they're working in each of their communities to meet the workforce challenges that we're all facing, helping businesses connect to talent, helping people connect to careers. It's really the first chance we've had to really see each other in person in a number of years. So it's a great opportunity for us to figure out what's working out there and then how we can take those ideas back home in each of our own communities.
Yeah, it's really nothing beats that face-to-face contact, right? So what issues, really are we facing as a state that this conference is going to help with?
Yeah, that's a great question. So, we have an unprecedented number of employers across industries who have really high demand for workers at this time, as we all know. But we also have thousands of job seekers across the state who continue to face barriers to employment, barriers like childcare, transportation, wraparound support, gaining the skills that they need to get into self-sufficient wage jobs. And so this conference really gives us the opportunity to come together as leaders across agencies, across entities, and frankly across businesses who are all working towards these shared outcomes and really identify some of the best practices, identify the gaps that exist out there so that we can amplify and elevate all of our efforts to better serve job seekers and bridge that gap that exists between job seekers and employers.
Definitely. And what are you guys seeking there, that would really help this area, Spokane, respond to the current economic situation and really looking toward the future?
Yeah. One of the things the conference offers us a chance to do is really learn about the innovations that are occurring across our state. I think one of the issues everyone's facing is around childcare and better access to childcare for employers and for working parents. And so we're here to learn from one another of what everyone's doing across the state. There's really great ideas that are happening in places like in Pierce County, in Yakima, and Vancouver. And so this is a chance for us to essentially get those ideas from the folks that are implementing solutions on the ground and then bring them back home and apply them. Every industry has different needs. The healthcare industry is facing unprecedented levels of shortages, manufacturing, finance, and insurance. And so it's really a chance for us to learn from our colleagues and peers what they're doing and then bring those ideas back home.
Yeah, and really, what is the take home here? What do you want people at home that are watching you guys, obviously, gathering together? What do you want them to know about all of this?
I think the recognition that we all work together as a system, that all across the state of Washington, we have 12 local boards that each work in our communities to try and figure out what our industries, what our workers are all facing in terms of the challenges. And then the fact that we work together to share information so we can apply that knowledge directly and help our economy grow. One of the benefits of having this is that each community is unique, whether you're in Seattle or Tacoma or Spokane or Yakima, and the challenges that you face are unique, but we all share the same commitment to helping our communities grow and to use the knowledge that we have and the resources that we have to better improve the economic conditions in our communities.
Definitely. All right. Well, Mark and Katie, thank you for taking time out of this conference to talk with us. We appreciate you. Have a great day.